Now we're going to show you how simple it is to install our energy storage device, the SolarLEAF. First, we're going to locate our module that we want to install. Next, Gabe will bring the SolarLEAF. Notice it's about the size of a briefcase where one person can carry it. You drop it in the racking, which is in the same configuration as a portrait ballast block. You disconnect your PV from your inverter. The output from the module will plug into the input of the SolarLEAF, and the output of the battery will plug into the same channel of the inverter. Also, what you'll notice is Gabe is also working on cable management. Now is a great time to use the wire management clips to do this in a very simple manner. After he clicks in the last DC lead, what we'll do is remove the concrete ballast blocks because the SolarLEAF will replace 2 of them. Then you lower the module, document where it's located, and that's it. You've just deployed energy storage in a simple manner.